Well, we're cutting a sycamore today. This one has sat down for a little while, so probably just 1 year too long sitting. And so it has some nice grain going on. We're trying to get a couple slabs out of the center, see if we can maybe get some crotch figure in this. Also, if we can get some of the quarter sawn grain in this, which is really synonymous with sycamore and really beautiful. But unfortunately, the tree's got a little bit of shake. So we take a slab off, see what we look like. This kind of has the pith in it too, so not the greatest piece, but see if it's got some nice spalting in it, but this piece is just got a little shake on it coming up the pith there. But nice spalting and some of the, but you win some, you lose some. Look at this one. Let's see what we got going on with this. So we might luck out with a nice slab out of this one. We've got some of the quarter sawn ray fleck going here. Nice spalting going up the edge. Pretty solid still. Nice ray fleck up here, and we're starting to get into the crotch figure. So who knows? Sometimes in a tree, you might get 2 slabs out of it. You might get 5 boards out of something. It's worth a try. We don't have the opportunity of getting sycamore too often by us, which is really prevalent by us, but for some reason we just doesn't happen. You never know. Again, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. We'll see you on the next one. It's gonna walk me over there. Oh, here we thought we were winning. Shake goes right on into that. Oh well. Let's put some water on it anyways. How's it look? Looks okay. Quite a bit of beautiful spalting going on. And some of that ray fleck is peeking out here. I hope it makes it on camera, because it is definitely beautiful with sycamore. Some of it right there, right here on the eye. Some of it going on up here. I would say the rest of the tree is probably not going to be worth too much. I suppose we'll quarter it, try to do quarter saw on the rest. But this could be addressed. It could be cleaned out, epoxied back together. Something could be done. Might still be one nice slab out of it. So we thought we'd take another picture, a little video, at least show another, put some water on it, and see what it looks like. Let's try this one. Probably looks just like that one. like it. I like it a lot. Wow. Pretty neat. Okay, figuring there. Not a whole lot of feathering, but still pretty good. We'll still make something cool out of it. I don't know what yet, but I guess that's the name of the game. We might have won a couple boards out of this, but that's how it is, everybody. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you don't mind, if it's something that seems cool to you. If not, we understand. And everybody have a good day. I feel like all of our videos, I don't know when it's ever going to warm up here in Ohio. We had one beautiful week, and we were about in the 80s, and from then it's been, all the seasons are backed up a month. It is what it is. One of these days, we're going to put some videos on. We'll be in a t-shirt and shorts and swimwear and hard hats. All right, everybody. Later. See ya.